In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location on an Instagram post. It's very easy to do. Just load up Instagram on your phone and go to your profile down in the bottom right hand corner. Now just go ahead and select a post that you want to either add a new location or edit the location. So I'm going to select one of my pictures here. And then what I'm going to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post and then hit edit. So underneath my name I can hit add location and then just pop in a location of the picture. Once I'm happy enough, just select the check mark, and that's basically all you have to do to either edit or add a location on your Instagram post. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, peace.